Hi, I'm Anupa. I have this exciting recipe of a salad, so let's quickly make marinated mozzarella. So let's begin the recipe. We got to cut the mozzarella cheese into thick pieces and now cut it further. Now take this cheese and drop it in the bowl. So here goes in some jalapenos, followed by some black olives. And we've got some green olives, some red chili flakes, and some black pepper. Let's add a little bit of salt. And finally, a lot of olive oil. Let's quickly mix this up. Let's plate it. And here you go, such a simple recipe of marinated mozzarella. You can make it, keep it in the fridge and serve it chilled to your family and friends.